Oh yes, I'd say significantly. My business has increased quite a bit to the point where about 60% of our jobs probably come from BNI referrals. What has surprised me is how much it makes you become more professional at what you do, because it gives you a regular weekly practice, if you will, to hone your skills on how you sell your business, and also gives you some freedom to let go and try to have some fun with it. There's a certain pattern of every week you're there and you build these, you start these relationships with people and then you build upon them every week whenever you go back. Once you build these relationships and then you maintain them on a weekly basis, the business just kind of automatically follows. I think the referral system helps in that you're always, part of one of the core concepts of the organization is givers gain. So it really helps me personally to try to focus on how can I give, because I definitely get referrals from being a member in the organization.